Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you how to have the custom ringtone on any iPhone device, either it is a latest one or old models. How do you have the custom ringtones? As we know that we have limited ringtone, but of course we can set as any by your own choice ringtones. How it is possible, we will see. Here right now we can see on here we have imported one custom ringtone, and we can see if we click here. So according to your own choice, of course we can. So how do you generate and how do you create, or spontaneously how do you import on particular any iPhones? We will see step by step, so don't skip ahead. Every step is very crucial, guys. First and foremost, we will have to go for here. We will take a one especially song. So how do you create a ringtone or how do you generate? We will see firstly. So we have a installed already virtual DJ. Here we will take a one mp3 song. So let's see, and how would I create, and thereupon of course we will import it. So let's have here one song. We will drag here, and thereupon it's a video. So first and foremost we will have to come in setting to, of course here we will have to select a format is that should be mp3, because mp3 this will work as a ringtones. Now second, we will have to have especially byte here, which byte we would like to have. So here, from here this byte we would like to see here, from here to here this byte we would like to have. So we will click on here this dot, it has matched. Just we will create one clue here, and thereupon here a little bit we will make a delay and reverb, so that, and here we will select a FX vocal. So vocal will be especially highlighted here. A little bit we will make it high volumes, we will pitch down here. So slow with the especially effective ringtones will be especially will be generated. We will take a especially 7.5s, and you can have a 6 also, no problem at all. Now see guys, here we can check it out here. See, so see now it's coming fine from here to here. So I'm sorry, just we would like to have from here to now there's for 30 seconds. So how do I create? Now we will see here. We will come in especially here in the record mode, and we will start to record. So let me disclose these videos, and thereupon of course we will be here, and see I'm generating right now. So by your own choice, of course you can. So start. Fine. This is for especially 9 seconds. We would like to have another byte here. Yes, we would like to have another byte from here. This one's vocal is coming from here. Let's have from here too, or we can start from here for 30 seconds especially, or 10 seconds we would like to have. So second byte, let's start. For 13 seconds we have the created here. Now see guys, here this has been already came on a desktop here. We can see 3 and the 4 this ones. Now we can cut it from here. My ringtone has been created here. See last one, this is a 2 byte. So let's play. We can directly let's have import, and then we will play. So this one, how would I import? This is a tag to mp3. So we will go for manage administrations, and that is a 3U tool. Here is option that ringtone, connect your data cable, and thereupon of course here we will try to click on import to a file file to here, take 2. This is especially she here mp3. So now we have started to import, and now see it came here, tag 2. Now we would like to have a special as a ringtone. See, so how easily especially we have imported. So this is all about, and we can emphasize especially according to your own choice, either it is dialogues, movie, mp3. So from video we have generated this ringtone. So you can see some styles. For any confusion, any inquiry, of course, both tool, driver, of course, we will give you links below the description box. It's a totally free, of course. You can have it within the one click, guys, from description box. So thank you for staying the till end of this tutorials. Hi, this is the Technology Welfare, and I will be back with a step-by-step new tutorial. So don't forget like, subscribe, and share of these contents, because it really supports this channel, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.